Now what you're going to need in order to take this course is going to be a text editor. There's a bunch of different text editors that you can find online for both Mac and Windows. There's a lot of free ones out there and a lot of inexpensive commercial ones. You're also going to need a copy of Photoshop CS2 or later. Now, in addition to getting these tools ready, I also recommend that you turn off your cell phone and turn off your email. What we're going to be doing in this course is not difficult, but it is going to be a new discipline. It's going to be a new way of thinking about how your design makes its way from tools like Photoshop and Illustrator and Fireworks into HTML and CSS. If you remember back to the first time you ever used PageMaker or Express, it was very different for us to use a computer and lay out content for the printed page, especially considering all of the things we needed to set up for printing presses, file formats, color separation, and so forth. So once you get the hang of HTML and CSS and slicing up your graphics, the tools will become secondary and you can spend more of your time focusing on the actual design. Now, if you've never used HTML or CSS at all, you can watch the next movie where we walk through an introduction of HTML, CSS, and how the browser sees those. If you have worked a little with CSS and HTML, then I encourage you to skip the next movie and go right into starting the project.